Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got a big old box this time. Oh boy. This is coming from Nova Tech, I do believe. Not exactly sure, but the links are going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Friday. Oh boy, but definitely excited to see what they sent us now. Bam. Got that open. Got that open. Oh boy. What is this? I got that. Oh boy. Man, this thing is huge. This thing is a big one. This is coming from Nursal on Amazon Prime. And we have, boom, foot spa massage. LED display, foot massage, air bubble, heat from 35 to 48 degrees Celsius, external drainage, internal medicine box. Oh boy. Here's all the good stuff on the back. 500 watts for the power. That. Alright, let's get inside of it now. So, you guys can get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this in no time. Here we go. One more cut to go. And now we're going to drop it down a little on the side and pull it out. Uh-oh. Man, this thing's huge. We got a big old box today. There we go. Dang. That's a nice one. Heck yeah. There we go. Look at this fancy dancy thing. Bada boom, nice color. We got the manual and we got the foot things right there. Throw this out later. Organized. Alright, we got the top. I'll turn it on, but I don't want to put my feet on the video. There we go. Red light, bubble, timer, on and off, temperature, all that good stuff. Oh, there's tape right there. This would be a nice thing for your office, for your dorm, your apartment, your house. Here's inside, look at that. Boom. That is definitely pretty deep in there. Awesome. And it did come with one of these things. And with your foot massage. Left foot, right foot, left, right. Oh. Alright. Goes like right. Gotta be. Okay, wait a minute. So this is the right side. It's different. Okay. Alright. Goes like that. Alright. There we go. Alright. Gotta push it in a little bit. Come on. Son of a gun. Why won't you go in the hole? The other one went perfectly. This one's giving me a little trouble. It doesn't like me. on your hole. Here we go. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, that's pretty cool. There we go. It comes with the foot rollers. Shoots out here. All that good stuff. I'll turn it on. Like I said, don't really show the feet. Raise you guys up. Let's light it up. Let's see how it looks. At least we could do that. But here we go. Get the, comes with a nice cord, nice power cord. Pretty cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, almost there, guys. Whoa. Alright, here we go. We got the on and off. We got temp. Temp right there. 43, 44. There's a red light. Bubble. See? Everything works. Oh, this would be nice. Really cool. So YouTubers, check them out. Nursal on Amazon Prime. Get one at a low cost. Foot massage. Heck yeah. Alright, YouTubers. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.